This is the definitive guide to resolving persistent AEUX to After Effects connection issues. I personally encountered the exact same frustration, meticulously tested countless approaches, and finally uncovered robust, proven strategies to get everything working again, which I am now sharing with you. First, we address compatibility through version checks. Software incompatibility is a primary cause of connection failures, especially after major updates. Ensuring both AEUX and After Effects are on compatible, ideally the latest versions, guarantees they communicate using expected protocols, preventing critical handshake errors and workflow disruptions. Next, we tackle corrupted preferences and system permissions. Corrupted preference files often lead to incorrect settings that block communication. Operating system permissions, frequently tightened after updates, might restrict application access. Resetting preferences clears these, and verifying permissions ensures AEUX has necessary system access to link with After Effects. Our third approach involves network and firewall adjustments. While AEUX typically operates locally, firewalls can mistakenly block inter-application communication. Temporarily disabling your firewall helps diagnose interference. Explicitly allowing both AEUX and After Effects through ensures no network restrictions prevent connection, and network resets clear problematic configurations. Finally, consider a thorough manual installation and cleanup. An incomplete or corrupted AEUX installation leaves problematic files. A clean manual uninstall followed by a fresh reinstall ensures all old, conflicting data is removed. This guarantees a pristine version is properly integrated into After Effects plugin directory, establishing a stable, expected connection path, eliminating hidden conflicts.